first thing to highlight is the ability to geolocalize the environment of the project with large orthophotos and ground modeling capabilities. And here the particularity is that we're superposing two national systems, the Swiss system and the French system. To do what I've done for the CERN, I would have needed to hire someone to help me. I would not have saved much time, probably spend even more time, and I would have had his time to do it. So I would say I've halved the costs and maybe reduced by 1/3 the time to do the work. It's a game changer. Community approach. We immediately adopted it. It's because it's project centered. So it's a very fragmented profession, and the great aspect of the platform is the outsourcing of all issues regarding IT. We can share documents. I can have someone in Brussels. I can be in Switzerland. We can work together. We don't have the overhead costs of managing such a sophisticated platform.